Yay! Alright guys, I'm out here with the Fimi Mini. And I'm just waiting for some satellites to come in. We're going to try another flight. We're going to go up here and try to shoot a couple of fall colors with this thing. Now it says 86% on the battery, but I just charged it, so I don't know. We're not going to go that far. I just want to fly it around a little bit, see some of these fall colors. It says ready to go now. Yay! Let's start some video. Of course, I can't see nothing because I got the sun in my eye. Let's go up here and look at some of these fall colors. This trees right here always get real red. Look how nice them look. Wow. I can barely see anything actually with this damn sun in my eye. I gotta turn it this other way a little bit. Fly out this way so I can see the damn thing. I can hear I don't know what the heck is going on with that thing. Trying to get some shots of these trees over here I see haven't turned red yet. I think those are all pines. I don't think they're going to. Okay. I think it's just going to be these here at the bottom, underneath of it. Right there. Them are the only ones that are going to be turning. Compass what? What is it saying? Only out 1,300 feet. I'd accidentally stopped the recording there. I can see it, but it's really hard in this with this glare. Wow. So far, a couple of flights in, man, it's pretty steady, pretty solid. I haven't messed around with any of the features yet. There's the orbit. Now, like I always had trouble with the other one doing the orbit. Is it orbiting me or orbiting? What is it supposed to be orbiting? Okay, so I'm going to set the central point right here. Okay, so I'm going to set the radius at 69 feet and hit go. Okay, so that's what I wasn't doing before with the other one. I didn't have the thing set right. I was missing one of the steps. I'm watching it right there. Okay, I canceled the orbit because I'm done with it. Okay, so now that I know how to do it, now I want to try to bring it back here and go make it lower. Okay, so that's cool. You know, not all of these drones use the same parameters for these orbits that I noticed. Okay, so we're going to try to do it low to the ground and see what we got, okay? So let's go back to doing that. So set the center, which I'm going to set right there, okay? And I'm going to set the radius at 23 feet. Flight height should be over 16 feet. Okay, so I gotta go a little higher. Okay. Okay. Okay, so you can, I'm just checking to see if you can spin the drone and all that while it's doing these orbits, and you can. As you can see, I'm doing that. Now I wonder if you can lower it. Well, it says 16 feet is going to be the height. You got to have it at least 16 feet, which is kind of bogus. All right, let's just stop that. I'm exiting the orbit. All right. Oh, there's a big hawk up there wanting to feed me. Two giant hawks. All right, yeah, so it worked out great. I'm happy with that. All right, let me cut the video. Second flight in the books. Yeah, great. Fimi Mini flying good. Okay, so I'm happy. Check the motors, they're cold. All right. I don't know what it is out here, about 40, something like that. All right, guys, so far, Fimi Mini is doing really well. Have a nice day.